Sania,
Yes, ma'am.
to check out this question, beta, adjustment of capital, question number 40 in your new book, and tell me the question number.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Urvi. Good afternoon, Sania.
Ma'am, question number 40.
Okay, 40 only? Okay. Hurry up. Sania, Urvi, Gurleen. Today we'll do adjustment of capital. Let us wait for girls to come. Let us wait for 2 more minutes. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The screen is visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please rename yourself. Hurry up. BGEY. Whosoever you are, please rename yourself. Okay, let us wait for 1 more minute. Maybe 2 or 3. Aisha is joined. Okay. Only 5 girls are there. Aditi has joined. Okay, Aditi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us wait for more girls to come. Okay. Who has joined? Only Aditi. Aditi, Sani, Urvi, Aishi, Gurleen. Bhagwan. Please rename yourself, dear. Please. Okay. Sharon has joined. Okay. Let us wait for Vanshika also. So let's take out this question number 40. Adjustment of capital, new topic of this chapter, admission of a partner. Okay, let us wait for girls to come. Should I start now? Girls, tell me once Vanshika has joined. Okay. Chinmay, no. Sharon, yes, Sharon. You want to speak something? Yeah, Sharon, speak with us. Yes, Sharon.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question number 39.
Okay, just tell me the entry. Which entry? Entry number?
Ma'am, 6th.
6. B is to withdraw 3,400 in the cash.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? I'll clear after the class. No need to worry. Girls, have you solved the questions? Please, loudspeaker offer. Switch off your loudspeaker. Have you solved the questions? The previous topic? I have told you, na, if you have any problem, we will solve it today. Only Sharon has told me that she is having a problem in single entry, in one entry. Yes? Gurleen, Ayushi, Aditi, Urvi, Sharon, Sania, Vanshika. Yes, you have any
No
doubts?
problem, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, clear. I think we should start now. Okay, now look. We will be doing question number 40, adjustment of capital. I'm muting everyone. Okay, now look. So straight question number 40, adjustment of capital. Just look at the screen, the ones who are not having the book. Question number 40, adjustment of capital. A and B are in a partnership sharing profit and losses in 2:1 ratio. That means A और B की old ratio क्या है? 2:1. They admit C for 1/5 share. 1/5 share C actually admit one. C brings 60,000 as his capital. The new capital that is brought in by C is 60,000. The capital accounts of A and B after all adjustments were 60,000 and 40,000. So 60,000 and 40,000 is the existing capital of the firm. Let's just look at the screen here. Just mark it with a pencil. 60,000 and 40,000 is the existing capital of the partners A and partner B in the firm respectively. So it was decided to adjust the capital of A and B on the basis of proportion of C's capital to his share in the business. So you have to calculate the amount paid or brought in by the new partner. यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन आपको कैपिटल एडजस्ट करना है. The old profit sharing ratio is given to you, that is 2:1. C is admitted for 1/5 share in this question, and C brought 60,000 rupees as his share of capital. And just mark this line: the capitals of A and B after all adjustments were 60,000 and 40,000. So 60,000 and 40,000 is the existing capital in the firm, existing capital of A and B. So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the fresh capital to be brought in by the old partners. Understood the question, girls? Question is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start solving it. Okay. So we are doing adjustment of capital. The page is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, dear. Now look. Lot of noise is coming from Urvi's side, beta. Urvi, please mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Urvi also.
मुझे मेरे 2% कमीशन यानी 784 रुपए के नुकसान का अफसोस था.
Now, how to calculate adjustment of capital?
अफसोस के सामने मेरा अफसोस तो कुछ भी नहीं.
First, we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. The first step is
लड़कियों के फोटो निकालेंगे.
noise is coming. Right? The first step is we have to calculate the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So how to calculate? We have done in the previous chapter also. Let me do it again. So we will assume let the total profit of the firm be X. If you know how to calculate, you can calculate and you can send me the answer in the chat section. No problem. Rupee 1. Let the total profit of the firm be rupee 1. Now here, share of profit acquired by C. या फिर brought in by C. That is कितना लाया इसने 1/5 share. So the combined share of A and B will be of A and B will be 1 minus 1 by 5. That is your 4 by 5. This one. Next is you have to calculate the new share, like new share. First we will calculate A's new share. This is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. 2 by 3 is the ratio. 2:1 is the ratio of old ratio of A and B. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. It will be 8 by 15. Next is these new here. It will be here 1 by 3 into again 4 by 5. So it will be 4 and the 4. 4 upon 5 is the 15. So C here is given, that is 1 by 5, और हमें denominators बराबर लाने हैं, or we can say 3 by 15. What we have done? Into 3 into 3. Up to here is clear? Tell me, up to here is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look, next step we will do now. Second is your calculation of very important topic, new topic, old partners capital in the firm, in the new firm. Why new firm? Because she is admitted. Why? She is admitted. Understood? Now look, what we have to do here. The formula is like total capital of the firm on the basis of seed capital will equal to new partners capital into reverse share. So let's look at the question here. The new, so C brings 60,000 as his capital. So the new partner's share in capital is 60,000. So we will write here 60,000 into reverse 1 by 5 was the 5 by 1. So it will be 3 lakh. It is 3 lakh. Up to here is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is your next step. Step number 2. Now we have to calculate the share by each partner. Here, what we will write? New capital, that is rupees 3 lakh, to be divided into the new ratio that we have calculated, and the new ratio is for A and B, it is 8 by 15 and 4 by 15. Now, here, A capital in the new firm, it will be 3 lakh into 8 upon 15. That is your rupees 1,60,000. Next is your B capital in the new firm. It is again 3 lakh into 4 by 15, the new ratio. the new capital will be 80,000. So we have to calculate now the fresh capital to be brought in by A and B. Now write here A and B. First step, capital required in the firm. It will be this capital. 1,60,000 for A and 80,000 for B. Right here. 1,60,000 and 80,000. Next is your minus existing capital of the firm. That is, just look at the question, line number 2 or line number 3. The existing capital of the partner A is 60,000 and of partner B is 40,000. So, the balance is 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh for A and rupees 40,000 for B. So, this is your fresh capital to be brought in. The question is clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone- Divya, Manita, Aditi, tell me. Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? I'm asking each and everyone. This question is
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Next question, question number 42. Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, now tell me. This question is visible? Okay, it is horizontal form. Just look at question number 42. Thus, it is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now question number 2 will do. In this question, we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account along with the balance sheet also. And in this question, we have to find out the current account balances of A and B. Understood, beta? Now let's read the question. Capital, the topic is okay. Read the question. So capital to be adjusted in profit sharing ratio. A and B sharing profits in the proportion of 3/4 and 1/4 showed the following as a balance sheet on 31st March 2019. The balance is 3/4 and 1/4. So the balance sheet of the partners A and B shows the liabilities and asset side. Liability side contains creditors, it is worth rupees 37,500, general reserve 4,000, capital accounts of partners A and B rupees 30,000 and 16,000 respectively. Outer column 46,000. The total of balance sheet of liability side is 87,500. Let's move to asset side. Cash at bank is 22,500. Bills receivables 3,000. Debtors is here 16,000. Stock is rupees 20,000. Office furniture 1,000. Land and building 25,000. So total of balance sheet is 87,500. Now let's move to adjustment. They admit C into the partnership firm on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. So these are the conditions at the time of admission of partner C. That he pays rupees 10,000 as his capital for a fifth share. Fifth share means 1/5. 1/5 share in the future profit. Second adjustment, that goodwill account is valued at 20,000. Just mark this adjustment, very, very important. First two adjustments. Third is that furniture to be reduced by 10%. That means furniture पे हमारा क्या है adjustment है. And a reserve for doubtful debts is to be created at 5% on debtors. Again, on debtors we are having a adjustment. On debtors, on furniture. So next is that the value of land and building be appreciated by 20%. Again, land and building asset is again having a adjustment. Entry number 5, adjustment is very, very important. Now listen to me. That the capital accounts of all the partners be readjusted on the basis of their profit sharing arrangement and additional amounts to be debited or credited to their current account. This adjustment is very, very important and you have to listen to me carefully by solving this adjustment. And sixth is interest payable rupees 2,000. So open the necessary accounts to give effect to the above items and also give the opening balance sheet of the new firm. So in this question, we have to prepare revaluation account, partnership account, and balance sheet. Along with this, we have to calculate the C share of goodwill, and we have to do the adjustment of capital that we have done just now. So the question is clear to everyone, beta? Question is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunny,
Yes, ma'am.
Vansika? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's do it. Okay, let's start. Should I start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Tick, tick. Okay, so we will do the revaluation account first. Start making the revaluation account and send me the answer. Chalo. Revaluation account. Here I have made revaluation account, partner capital account and balance. Should I start? Should I start? Speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Chalo. First is your the furniture to be reduced by 10% here. And reserve for doubtful debts is created at 5% on debtors. First item is right to furniture account right here. Particular amount, particular and now फर्नीचर अकाउंट फर्नीचर टू रिड्यूस बाय 10%. अब देखो फर्नीचर की अमाउंट बैलेंस शीट में कितनी है 1000 रुपीज की. तो 10% ऑफ 1000 इज 100. नेक्स्ट इज योर टू नेक्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट दैट अ रिजर्व ऑफ डाउटफुल डेट टू बी क्रिएटेड एट 5% ऑन डेटर्स. जब भी हमारे प्रोविजन क्रिएट होते हैं वो कहाँ आते हैं रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट के डेबिट. सो राइट हियर टू रिजर्व फॉर doubtful debts account. This is 5% of, let us say 16,000. 5% 16,000 is 800. Understood? Next is adjustment number 6. Interest payable at rupees 2,000. Liabilities यहाँ पे increase हुई है, right? To interest payable account, that is your 2,000. One more thing, adjustment number 4, that the value of land and building to be appreciated by 20%. So 25% of 20% is 5,000. Right here, by land and building account, 5,000. So let's close the accounts now. 5,000. Here also 5,000. Difference is 29 minus 21. 2,100 is your profit on revaluation. So I do profit on revaluation. Partners are A and B. Their ratio is 3/4 and 1 by 4. So the ratio will be, the share of profit will be 1,575 and 525. It is clear? The valuation account is clear to everyone?
Yes,
The valuation
ma'am.
account?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good. Let us move to partners capital account. Good. Partners capital account. First entry will be by balance brought down. Look at the balance sheet here. 30,000 and 16,000 of partner A and B. Right. 30,000 and 16,000. Next. By bank account. कौन सा शेयर है तो C ने लाया, that is 10,000. We will write here 10,000. Next is your evaluation profit. This one here. By revaluation account 1575 and 525. Now just look at the balance sheet. General reserve is given here 4,000. So we will divide the general reserve by general reserve 4,000 and 3,000 and 1,000 is the old ratio. Now let us do the adjustment part. Now look here. Read entry number 2. That goodwill account to be valued at rupees 20,000. This one. The goodwill account is to be valued at rupees 20,000. So here, right, working note here. The share of goodwill, it is 20,000 is given the book into 1 by 5. Understood? 1 by 5 ये आपका आ जाता है 4,000. और इस 4,000 को हम लोग पास करेंगे इस एंट्री से. एंट्री फॉर the share of goodwill will be the sacrifice ratio that we have to calculate. So let us first calculate the new ratio. Here, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Please fast and tell me the answers. Tell me the answer in the chat box. So let the total profit of the firm be at B1. So it will be each share is 1 by 5. Combined share will be 1 minus 1 by 5. It will be 4 by 5. 1. Now A future will be whole share 3 by 4. It is combined share 4 by 5. ये आपका आ जाएगा 3 by 5. Okay. Next is your B future. It will be 1 by 4 into 4 by 5. ये आपका आ जाएगा 1 by 5. Understood? Now next is your calculation of sacrificing rate. It will be formed by whole ratio minus new ratio. A का निकालो जरा. A sacrifice is equal to 3 by 4 whole 3 by 5. सिस्टम निकाल के इसका आएगा आंसर बेटा 15 minus 20 12 upon 20. It will be 3 by 20. Same is the case of the sacrifice. B का भी सेम निकालेंगे. It is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, it will be 1 by 12. Up to here is clear? Now the clear is it is clear up to here? Tell me beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are having the sacrificing ratio of A and B is 3:1. Now let's move to first working mode. So share of goodwill will be 3:1. So entry we will pass is यहाँ पे the current account debit, that is 4,000, which is to A capital account to B capital. 3:1 में इसको allocate करेंगे तो ये आएगा आपका 3,001. Let's move to partners capital account. Right up by the current account 3,001. This is clear, beta? Clear? The entry is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us calculate the new capital of the firm. Here. All right. New capital of the partner. The firm of the partner of the one of the partner. This would the capital is 10,000 is given. We will reverse the share 5 upon 1. It will be 350,000. So A new capital will be 50,000 into 3 upon 5. The new ratio निकालिए हमने आपका आ जाएगा 30,000. Please 30. Same here. The new capital will be 50,000 into 1 by 5. New ratio that we have calculated is 3:1:1. Up to here is clear? First tell me. The
Yes,
new
ma'am.
capital of the firm is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Now look. Now let us move to partners capital account. Here. As we got the new capital of the firm, we have to write partner capital account. Right. To balance, carry it down. It will be 30,000, 10,000, and 10,000. We have calculated just now. Now just close the account. So the balance will be 37,575, 18,575, and both here, right here. To current account, difference is 7,575, then 8,575, and 42. The balance is 7,575, 18,575, and 10. It is clear? Partner capital account is clear to everyone? Partner capital account.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us move to balance sheet. Last part of the question. Let's do it fast. So, look at the balance sheet. Cash at bank is given in the book. That is 2,500 plus 10,000 additional capital brought in part by button C. The outer column will be 32,500. Next is your sales receivable. No adjustment 3,000. Just do it fast. If you have done the second answer, then the total. Debtors is 18,000 minus 800. प्रोविजन हमने क्रिएट किया था, क्या आपका आ जाएगा 15,200. Then stock is 20,000. This is better balance sheet. Then we are having office furniture. यहाँ पे हमारा adjustment था. Office furniture is 900. Then next is your land and building associate हुआ था. You will write here auto column 30,000. Now कल मैंने आपको बताया था क्या करना है. Fees current account because इसका debit balance है, so we have considered fees current account as asset. 4,000 आया था, हमने किया था. Let us move to liability side. Here, right, creditors, no adjustment, 7,500. Now here, capital account, partner A, B, and C. The new capital is 10, 30,000 for 10,000 and 30,000 for A, 10,000 for B, and 10,000 for also column is 2,000. Now, next is your current account. Right here. Current account of partners A and B. Current accounts of partners A and B. A is here 7,575 and 88,525. The next item is outstanding interest. So it will be 2,000. Where the revaluation down right. So total of balance sheet will be 1,05,000. Now tell me, question is clear to everyone? This question, tell me. Just speak. Question is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Saying no. Speak. Tanya, Divya, speak. Question is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will send you some questions on the sample book. Complete it and send me the solution. Understood? Any doubts in today's class?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in today's class? Okay, beta. Now leave turn right. All of you please leave. All of you please leave. Send the answers on the leave beta, leave turn right. Everyone please keep your hand in the sun and